Hi guys, this is Oliver from Meplis on our Caremonitor tutorial series, and in this session we are going to create a first Caremonitor based on the program we have created in the last sessions. So you can see that in my program builder I still have this demo program 1 which I have been creating in the last sessions. You see different types of questions that I've added here. And now that I am on my dashboard, I can actually go to create a first Caremonitor with this program. So as I've explained before, so a Caremonitor is a combination of a program, a certain population of users, a certain frequency and timeline, and duration, and then eventually maybe some alarms that you have defined. So let me just go on and do that. So I click here and say create my first Caremonitor. Going to call this demo monitor. Uh, that's it. Okay, demo monitor. I'm not going to select an icon here yet. We'll show that maybe in another session. But this is a possibility that allows you to make it visible for the user, your icon from your organization, so they can easily recognize it. If you don't place an icon here, it will simply select a standard icon, and that's what I'm going to show. So in this description, you can say demo monitor by Meplis uh, by the Meplis demo department. This sums up what we have learned in the Caremonitor tutorials on YouTube on, let's say, on the Meplis YouTube channel. Okay, so I can go to next and I can select programs here. Now you can see that there is here demo program 1. This is the only private program that I have available right now because this is the only program I have made. So either you have created several programs and you have them available here, or somebody else has shared a certain program with you and you are able to also use this here. So just for our most simple example, I'm simply going to select this demo program right here. You can see that it appears in my list of selected programs. I can simulate it, or I can simply click next, or I can save draft. So what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to click next. Now I am on my inviting screen. So you have here the possibility, if you already added users to your Caremonitor, you can select these users here, or you can add users manually, or you can import users from Excel or through Excel or CSV. But for our simple example, I'm going to simply add um, myself here so that I can show you how it works. So external reference, you can leave this empty. This can also be used if you have a certain unique identifier in your hospital system or in your practice. You can add this number here for that user, so you will be able to link that through exports or other integration possibilities with your own systems. But I'm going to just leave this empty here, and I'm going to say demo care monitor. Meplis.com. So this is the user I've added here. Currently, you can invite by email, but we're adding now the possibility to invite users through SMS. So don't forget to add this user here. To click Add Participant. The external reference is empty. That's not a problem. You have my participant name here, first name, last name, and demo care monitor at meplis.com is right here. So I'm simply going to click next. It's the only user I want to add for now because I'm still testing and playing around. So I'm just wanna work with this user. So when do I want this Caremonitor to start? Let's say, okay, I want to start this today. So just select today. It is now 11:10, so I can choose to launch this, for instance, on 11:15 or 11:12. And simply select this to be launched daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. So this is some basic frequencies we allow you to choose. So more features are coming here to have more control over that, but this is a good starting point. So you can set how many cycles do I want this user on a daily basis to answer. So I'm just gonna say 2. So what does that mean? That means that I'm going to have a daily follow-up and it's going to run for 2 days. So 2 days in a row, the user will receive at 11:12 a follow-up. Um, this is an option to make it sticky. I'm going to go more into that in the next session, but you don't really need to use this right now. So let's just go ahead and click Save and Publish. So you can see my first Caremonitor has been saved. If I just refresh this, you can see here that my first Caremonitor demo monitor is available, and I can see an overview of my Caremonitor here. I can see that I have one invited participant, nobody's active, nobody has completed the Caremonitor, nobody has completed the cycle, nobody has completed the last cycle, the response rate is 0. There is one execution cycle that's already launched. In total, there's 2 cycles. Cancelled cycle 0, responded cycle 0, participants enrolled is 1, and pending participant is 0. So you can see here I have no icon. I will be able to update that icon easily. But for now, we have just created our first Caremonitor program. So maybe if I go into my email, I have not maybe not yet. Okay, so I have already received this as at 11:11. So you can see the email I have received here. So basically, it's saying, okay, dear demo Caremonitor, that's my username. You can see here on top that the Meplis demo department is my tenant name. So it's basically the name that I have placed here on top as my organization name. And so the email that I sent to the user is going out with that email. So the Meplis demo department is requesting you to complete a follow-up demo monitor. So as a user, I can simply go into that. You see, okay, dear demo Caremonitor, the Meplis demo department is requesting your action in the follow-up program called Demo Monitor. You can do this by clicking on the link below. Okay, this expires on 6 December. So you can see here, I have the link here. I have some explanation about what Caremonitor is. You can take a product tour if you're interested. You can provide feedback, and you can also see that this email is being sent on behalf of your organization name. It was also sent to democaremonitor@meplis.com, which is my user. So in the next session, we will execute this Caremonitor, and we will see how the results are coming in to our dashboard. So let's see you guys in the next session.